Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers and listeners, welcome to DGSP by Mufti Kalimullah Khan. Today we are going to discuss a question that every believer, every Muslim must ask. What is the straight path? We read about it every single day in our prayers, but do we really understand what it means? Let's explore together. The Quran teaches us this wonderful dua in Surah Al-Fatiha. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqeem. O Allah, guide us to the straight path. This short but powerful dua is repeated many times a day in our prayers. But why? Because without guidance, our life can easily lose direction. The straight path, or Sirat-e-Mustaqeem as it is called in Arabic language, in Quranic language, is not just about avoiding sin or performing rituals. It's about walking on the road that leads to Allah's pleasure. It's a balanced life, worship, good character, kindness, justice and gratitude. Allah explains it further in the next verses. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. The path of those you have blessed, not of those who earned your anger, not of those who went astray. This means the straight path is the way of the prophets, the truthful, the righteous, and those who follow divine guidance with sincerity. Think about it, my brothers and sisters. You ask Allah for wealth, health and success. But what good is all of it if our heart is lost? The straight path is like a GPS for our soul. Without it, we might achieve things in this world but fail in the hereafter. So let's make ourselves ready to go on the straight path by the practical ways. Start every day with this dua. Oh Allah, keep me firm on your straight path. Learn and apply small sunnahs in your life, like smiling, saying salam, helping others. Avoid doubtful things. If something feels wrong, leave it for the sake of Allah. Increase knowledge. Read Quran with understanding. Seek Islamic reminders. And remember, the straight path is not a destination. It is a journey. There will be struggle, but every step you take closer to Allah lights up your life and heart. So make this dua from your heart. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqeem. Guide us to the straight path. Now it is all about today's session. So if this reminder inspired you, share it with someone you love. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to DGSP by Mufti Kalimullah Khan, because together we can walk the straight path one step at a time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.